This was just another day when I saw you from across the way. You looked at me and hey, and I wanna know what you're thinking at this point in time. Tell me what's on your mind. So he's like, I think we met.
What up, YouTube? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I have for you my IPSY bag, and this is actually my accidental IPSY bag because I intended on canceling it and then opted to skip it for 3 months and then forgot to go back and cancel it completely. So boom, here this one came. So that's okay. I did go and cancel it just because I felt like I was accumulating too many samples and I wanted to stick with the subscription services that sent full-size products. But that being said, if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a $10 a month subscription service, and in the bag you get a makeup bag along with 4, 5, 6 samples of beauty products. And so let's go ahead and get into this and see what we have today. So first of all, here we have the makeup bag, which to me is super cute. You guys know I have a thing for lashes. And so I really like this, and this is one that I will probably keep because I ordinarily use them as ways to give makeup gifts, but I'll be keeping this one. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. I'm just going to go ahead and pull them all out, and I'll just go in order of whichever I grab first. But in the little bag is a little card that says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. IPSY September 2018. So I didn't say that, did I? This is the IPSY for 2018 September, or September 2018. So yeah, that's the theme. Alright, so our first item is Kush Mascara by Milk. And I've been really curious about this actually. This is the one that has something to do with marijuana. I'm not sure exactly. It says it's Kush Mascara High Volume Boom. High volume, unique heart-shaped fibers thicken lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curl. Puff Puff Brush catches curls and coats a pure pigment intense black formula for defined clump-free lashes. And naturally lit, cannabis oil nourishes and conditions for healthier looking lashes in one hit. So obviously it's a play on words, but let's go ahead and look at the packaging. And I'm not sure if this focuses without my hand up here, but I'm gonna do that just in case. And let's look at the wand. Wow, I like that. I like that wand. And the reason I like it is because it's really thick towards the base, but it narrows down toward the tip. And yeah, so I will give this a try. That's one thing like on Better Than Sex mascara. I like it. I like the wand, but it's really thick at the end, so it makes it kind of hard to get down into the inner areas, and I think this one will work well. So we'll see if I like the mascara, but I absolutely like the wand, or I know that I will like the wand. Next comes in this packaging right here, and it says Nomad Around the World Positano Sunrise. And I'm really not sure what's in here, so let me get in the box. I like this packaging. It's really pretty before I start tearing it up. On the back it says Nomad Light Infusion Powder. Buttery super blendable blushing highlighter and shimmering soft peach in a shimmering soft peach shade with multi-dimensional prismatic topaz pearl finish. Free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil, and it does have a 12-month shelf life, and it is cruelty-free. Alright, we got this tiny little baby compact, and this is what it looks like inside. It looks like a blush. To me it almost looks like NARS Orgasm, but let me swatch it. Yeah, it looks a lot like NARS Orgasm. And so there you go. I don't know if it's, wow. Wow, I really dug into that, but I didn't expect to have that much pigment. But it's pretty. I'm not sure if this would look good as a blush or if it would be solely for a highlighter, or maybe an in-between. Is that a thing now, to have a blush and a highlighter and an in-between-liner? I was saying to several friends today that there is a very particular reason why I don't film after school, and that's because my brain just doesn't have the capacity to put rational thoughts together. And so whatever comes of this video, just don't mind me. Just don't mind what I say. Don't mind the facial expressions that I might make. Just don't mind me. Next is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. And I've used this before. I have actually used an entire full size of this that came in a BoxyCharm, and this is one of my favorite exfoliators, and I'm super excited even to have a mini of it because it's one of my favorites, and I use it all up. And full size of this is like $70 or $80, and so I will never be buying it. So anytime I get it as a sample, I'm a happy camper. Next is Meech and Mia Gunmetal Pressed Eyeshadow. It is in some packaging that is kind of shrink wrapped, and I'm not going to take it out because I can look at it and know that it's a shade that I'm not interested in, because if I need this, I have probably 5 palettes that have this color in it, so I'm going to save this to give away to someone. I never have tried Mia and Meech and Mia. I've never heard of it, but I used to have a cat named Mia, so I like the name. But I don't want to swatch it, so we're just going to move on. Next and last is Intensely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner by Scone in the shade Jet Black. It looks like this. I'll take the packaging off. Maybe. Me and this kind of packaging don't get along very well. So I'm hoping for a brush tip, or at least a flexible felt tip, and I'm hoping that it is matte. I really like liquid eyeliner, but I like the finish to be matte, and so many these days have a little bit of a sheen, and I would really prefer not. And truth is, most people that I hear talk about it say that they don't like any kind of sheen to their eyeliner, so it's surprising to me that so many people make it. Maybe it's difficult to make a fully matte one, who knows? But if you like a sheen on your liquid liner, please tell me why. And not that there's anything wrong with it, but for me, I would definitely not want sheen in that area. I would definitely want matteness in that area. Alright, looks like we've got a felt tip. And I'll just do a little swatch here. It definitely looks dark black, and we'll see what happens. To me, it looks like it's going to dry very matte. So I really do like that peach, I guess, blush, shimmery blush. I think it's really pretty. In fact, that's probably my favorite thing out of everything except for the Dr. Brandt. But I'm going to give this just a few seconds to set, and then I'll do a rub test and see if it'll stay on, and I'm talking about the eyeliner. But anyways, I'm not overwhelmed, I'm not underwhelmed by this bag. I'm okay with it. I don't ever get really excited about IPSY, and that's really the reason why I decided to go ahead and unsubscribe. I just don't seem to have much interest in what I receive, and so I need to quit paying money for something that I'm not that interested in. So let's do a little quick test. Oh wow, well it certainly passes the test for not budging, so I like that. I have trouble sometimes in my outer corners. Just through the day, I'll come back home from school and I'll have lots of smudgies, even from liners that say that they are waterproof, so I will definitely be giving these a try. Definitely the peach blush and the eyeliner and the mascara. So So again, if you're interested in IPSY, I'll leave information down below for you. Again, it's $10 a month for 5 or 6 items, and there's sample sizes usually. Occasionally there will be a full-size product, but to me, aside from this could possibly be a full size, but aside from that, the rest of these are definitely sample sizes. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.
Thought this was just another day when I saw you from across the way. You looked at me and hey, and I wanna know what you're thinking at this point in time. Tell me what's on your mind. So he's like,